Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this viral chicken wrapped bacon bites. These are flavor bombs and very easy to make. And not to mention, this is one of the lunchbox recipes and it's full of protein. I make these as a snack for my son and he absolutely loves them. We need mozzarella cheese. We cut them into bite size. Then take boneless chicken and add some yogurt, salt, chili flakes, some Cajun seasoning, and little bit of red pepper, black pepper, and fresh coriander. And last but not the least, we need a little bit of cooking cream. Let's mix it all. And I use all the ingredients to taste, so there's no hard and fast rule. You can just follow your taste. Then we will assemble these bites. We will take bacon strip or beef strip. We'll put the chicken in the middle and we will put mozzarella cheese on both sides of the chicken and roll it tightly together. Now we're gonna put this into a skewer. You can bake them in the oven for hardly 10 to 15 minutes, and you can also fry them on the pan, up to your choice. Serve them with mint sauce, yogurt dip, whatever you like, but trust me, they are so yummy on their own that you don't need any sauce with it. There will be more quick and healthy recipes coming up, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.